Hi. So part of the goal with this channel, Polyglot Engineer, is I'm trying to cover different languages for people that are coming from one language to another and trying to pick up a new language. And one of the things I wanted to cover was Node.js. Node.js, if you're not familiar, is a way of being able to run JavaScript essentially on a server, but you can also run it on things like devices. You can use it for front-end tools, command line tools. There's all kinds of things that you can use with Node.js. So the first thing I want to do is to kind of show people, it's like if you want to start using Node, the first thing you have to do is install it. So I was going to do a quick video, show you how you can install Node.js on the operating system of your choice. All right, so what I've done is I've come here to my browser and I've pointed to nodejs.org. And if you want to install Node.js, my recommendation is just to come to the Node.js Foundation website. And you can see here that there's two links. There's one link for what's called the LTS version, and then there's another link that is for the current version. And the LTS version stands for basically long-term support. And so if you're going to production, this is the version that they recommend that you use if you're going to be using it as a tool. And if you want to use like the latest, like more experimental features, then you'd want to use the current version. But I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to install or make sure that I have the LTS version installed. So the way you do that is you just come over here and you click on that link. It's bringing down the installer. And I'm just going to come over here and install this in my system. And it is installed. So you can see it's a very quick process. I'm just going to go ahead and move that to the trash. And if we want to test to make sure that it's working properly, easy way to do that is to come into your terminal and you can type in node space and either do -- version, or you can just do -v. I'm going to do -- version here. And you can see I have the version that I just installed. So if we want to go ahead and start playing around, seeing what we could do with this, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to type in node. And what that'll do is that'll put us into the REPL. The REPL is basically a way that you can just type JavaScript commands directly into the command line. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to call this sum. And I'm going to make it equal to some calculation. So I'm going to say 3 plus 12. And in that with a semicolon. In JavaScript, typically you don't need to end it with a semicolon, but I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And now you can see here that it's showing up as undefined, but if I come in here and I type in sum in the REPL, it gives me the outputted value. And that is how you install Node.js. Now, obviously this will work. There's a Windows installer, there's a Linux installer. So the process is pretty much the same. And this will be the first of a series of videos that I'm doing on Node.js and JavaScript. So if you like, please subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think, and I'll have more videos coming up shortly. Thanks.